Have you ever wondered why some people achieve extraordinary success while others don't? Can success be a matter of chance, or is it the result of relentless hard work and perseverance? Success. It's a concept that's as varied as people themselves. For some, it might be climbing to the top of the corporate ladder. For others, it could be creating a life-changing invention. But what is the common thread that ties all these different definitions of success together? Enter two extraordinary individuals who have redefined success in their respective fields. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX and Tesla, and Cristiano Ronaldo, a football legend. These two may seem worlds apart, but their paths to success are strikingly similar. Their stories are not just about achieving success, but about redefining it. They've shown us that success isn't just about reaching a goal, but about constantly pushing the boundaries and challenging the status quo. Let's dive into the lives of these two exceptional individuals and see what we can learn from them. Elon Musk, the man behind SpaceX and Tesla, wasn't always the success story we know him as today. Born and raised in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk's journey to success was anything but smooth sailing. As a young boy, he spent countless hours reading books on innovation and technology, dreaming of a future where humans could explore the stars. His dreams were big, but his reality was far from it. Moving to the United States, his journey took him to the heart of Silicon Valley, where he faced the harsh realities of the competitive tech industry. His ventures often met with failure, but Musk didn't let that deter him. Instead, he used those failures as stepping stones, learning from each one and pushing forward with unwavering resolve. Then came SpaceX and Tesla, two ventures that would forever change the world's perception of space exploration and electric vehicles. Musk's never-give-up attitude, his propensity to take risks, and his unwavering belief in his vision were the driving forces behind his success. Even when faced with bankruptcy and public criticism, Musk held on to his dreams of colonizing Mars and creating a sustainable future on Earth. Musk's story is a testament to the power of dreaming big and working tirelessly to achieve those dreams. It reminds us that no dream is too big, and no obstacle is too great. So let's ask ourselves, what's your dream? Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest footballers of all time, had humble beginnings. Born in Madeira, Portugal, Ronaldo's journey to global superstardom was anything but easy. He was just a poor kid with a dream to play football and be the best. But dreams don't turn into reality without sweat, without discipline, and without an unwavering determination to push your limits. Ronaldo personifies these qualities. He is known for his rigorous training schedule, for his discipline both on and off the field, and for his relentless pursuit of perfection. Ronaldo's discipline is legendary. He is often the first one to arrive at practice and the last one to leave, constantly working to improve his skills. His dedication to his craft is unparalleled, often sacrificing personal comfort for the sake of his career. His journey is a testament to the power of hard work. Ronaldo didn't just rely on his natural talent, he honed it, he worked on it. He pushed himself to the limit and beyond. He believed in his dream, and he worked tirelessly to make it a reality. And it's not just about the physical effort, it's about the mental fortitude, the resilience to bounce back from failures and setbacks, the determination to keep going when things get tough. Ronaldo's story is a testament to the fact that talent combined with hard work and discipline can take you to unimaginable heights. Are you ready to put in the work? Both Elon Musk and Cristiano Ronaldo have shown us that success is not a matter of chance, but a result of consistent hard work, resilience, and belief in oneself. They've demonstrated that no dream is too grand and no goal unattainable. Elon Musk, with his vision and daring risk-taking, has revolutionized the electric car and space industries. He didn't just dream of a better future, he took bold steps to make it a reality. What's your grand vision? What bold risks are you willing to take to realize it? Cristiano Ronaldo, on the other hand, is the embodiment of discipline and hard work. His relentless pursuit of perfection on the football field is a testament to what can be achieved with dedication and an unwavering work ethic. How can you apply this level of discipline and commitment to your own goals? So, what's your next step towards success? Remember, it's not about where you start, but where you're going. Dream big, work hard, and never stop believing in yourself.